Number of customers.
Yeah, you were saying no? Somebody was saying something. Go ahead.
Sir, you hear me? Sir,
Yeah. Wait, that's it?
I'm myself, I'm not talk to sir.
Oh,
Sir, number of customer,
yes.
number B intersect C complement.
Oh, it's not intersect C complement, you know, it's not intersect.
Sir.
It's the other way around. Union. But at least you know it's a complement. So we give it that. Alright? It's union, not intersect. Good?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, man. You know that, man. No, I'm not looking at the diagram now. That's the word. Alright, so B union C complement. Alright. So I just take this time out for you guys to recognize that within the exam, during that 16 minutes that you have to answer each question, you take time out and analyze the information given to you to use, be it a diagram or just words, using the knowledge that you have. So you know about intersection, you know about union, you know about complement of, you know how to write number of elements in a set. You use up all that information. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Where needed, that's the people who use it.
Where needed. All right. Let's continue now. Part 1 says, all right, mute your mics, guys. I don't want to hear the animals in the background. Thank you. Part 1 says, you represent a set of customers visiting the bakery on that day. B represents the set of customers who bought bread, and C represents the set of customers who bought cake. Copy and complete the Venn diagram to illustrate the information. Now, Sheva did a very good job in the sense that she went ahead and put in the data. All right, which is good, very good. You need to teach Trudy and Chevel how to insert the pictures on the worksheet. Or Trudy know how to do it. You know how to do it, Trudy? Trudy, where you going, miss? Nah, yeah, Trudy that. So the 70 must, where the 70 must go, Trudy? Tell me where the 70 must go.
Sir, and the B.
Look good.
Oh, sorry, bought cake. Sorry, C.
What region is that C called? Let me see if you remember. What region is that C called where we must put the 70?
C only.
Very good. Oh, your brain there now. You know, gone for a walk. What must go between in the intersection area? The information there, look. Use the eyes.
X customer bought. X, sir.
X, good. I call upon you because you never do it, so I make sure you do it now. What must go into?
Sir, 2X.
Okay. Where 2X must go?
B only.
Good. Your brain at work now. And where the 80 must go now?
At the bottom, outside of the set.
Okay, outside of the circles.
Right.
It doesn't have to be at the same, but it can be any part of the box. Once it's not.
Yeah, I know, sir. I know.
Okay, good.
Outside, sir.
All right, so that would have been the answer for that part of it. All right. Now, this, ladies, listen, both of you to this one carefully. It says write an expression in X to represent the total number of customers who visited the bakery on that day. Now, total, and when you see the word total, what is it suggesting that you should do? Julia, drink.
Sorry, Paul, what?
They must add. They must add. Very good. So we are going to add. So even if you never know what to do, you know, say you must add. Okay, so the word total. That's why I say use the knowledge that you have to help you to interpret what you are given to interpret. Right? That's why in a story, and if I was allowed to do the devotion with you guys last week Wednesday, you'd have heard of the story where King Nebuchadnezzar had a dream, but he totally forgot the dream. They called upon his wise men to do what they normally would. They normally would interpret dreams. The wise men said to the king, "Oh king, tell us the dream so we can tell you what it means." But the king didn't remember the dream. So the king asked them to tell him what the dream was and its interpretation. So I'm saying to you now that, and the king know the dream, they would have used the elements of the dream to make an interpretation. So it's the same here in mathematics. You must use what you know of the question. The question is the dream. Use what you know of the question in order to make an interpretation when you're answering the question, or make an interpretation of the information given to you. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Use what you know. All right. So we know how to add. We know that everything here must add up. So the 2x must add to the x, must add to the 70, must add to the 80. Now they did not say that you must calculate. They say you must write an expression. So you don't need to put no equal into anything. Once you put the equal, you're talking about equation. They did not ask you for an equation. They asked you to write an expression in x. An expression is something that conveys an idea. So the idea would have been the total number. But would have, if we had known the number for letter x, or what letter x represents, they would have added up everything together and got that total number. But we don't know, right? So therefore, we go down to say we're going to simplify it. We add what we can add. So 2x and x will give us 3x. 70 and 80 will give us 150. And that would be an answer. All right? 3x plus 150 would have given your answer for part 1. Now for part 2 now, calculate the number of customers who bought bread only. Okay. Now children, if you're going to find the number of customers who bought bread only, what's the first thing we need to know?
Sir, we need to find the value of 2x.
Not the value of 2x, but the value of what? X. And then we compute it. Well, in a sense, yeah, the value of 2x. All right, I won't take that one from you. I'll give that one to you. All right, so we need to find what 2x is. Now, if we're saying that 3x plus 150 is equal to 300, we can read this now by saying 3 times a certain number plus 150 is equal to 300. Now, 150 plus what will give me 300?
150 plus 150 is 300.
Good. All right. So if 150 plus 150 will give me 300, we can therefore say that 3x is equal to what?
300.
150. Good. Make sense? Good. So 3 times what number will give me 150? What's the answer for that? 3 times what number will give me 150? Eh?
50.
50. So therefore, how to get that 50 is 150 divided by 3. So I'm going through this because you guys have not done algebra yet. With me, that is. Alright, so x is 50. So now that we know that x is 50, then what is the answer now, children? Sister children?
Sir?
Now that we know that the answer is x is 50, then what is the answer for the question? I used to use 2x now. So what does it mean now? So we're going to substitute. Wherever x is equal to what? 50. 2 times 50 is how much? 100, right?
Yeah.
Good. The answer is 100. Alright.
Figured.
Those were the corrections based on the errors that you guys have made. One of you got some correct, one of you got the next correct, one of you get next wrong, etc. Right? Let's move on. Let's give it a join. We're gonna move on now. All right, let's got some practice questions. Let's hope we have sufficient time. The last third of the class. All right. Whose turn to read now? Children, your turn to read now.
In a survey of 30 families, the findings were that 15 families owned dogs, 12 families owned cats, X families owned both dogs and cats, 8 families owned neither dog nor cat.
Okay. All right. Yeah, go ahead.
Given that U equal number of families in the survey, C equal number of families who owned cats, D equal number of families who owned dogs.
All right, but it's not number of families. You must say right there, say no, because this symbol, the braces doesn't mean number of. What the braces mean?
Oh, elements. Sorry.
No. What the braces mean?
Members.
No, that's the first thing to learn. What the braces mean?
Sets.
The set off.
Oh gosh.
Set off. I'm saying I read over your notes. Means the set off. All right. So what you're giving me? You're giving me the other terminology, which is, let's put it over this side. Make some space. You're saying number of persons in universal set is equal to 30, right? Number of persons in persons who like cats is equal to what? 12? What? 12?
12.
A number of persons who like dogs is equal to how much? 15?
15.
Yeah, or own dogs, whatever. Number of persons who like both is X. So let's put that C intersect. And let's use this intersect for the time being as well. D is equal to X, number of persons. Mute that please, I'm hearing too much dogs. Union D complement is equal to 8. Alright, so you see what I do? I use my knowledge of set notation to write it in set language. Is what I did, ladies? That's what I am talking about. Good? So I don't want to say families own that. I just put it in using set notation right there, set language. Alright, what they ask us to do now? Well, naturally, you're going to ask to find X. So even before you see the rest of the question, you could automatically do the calculation and know the answer already. Naturally, they're going to ask to find it. Use the Venn diagram information, use the given information, sorry, to complete the Venn diagram below. And bear in mind, what we have done before were past paper questions, and this is another past paper question. And you recognize that the questions may not be the same, but they are similar. Right? Good to practice past paper question. All right. Let us now put in the information. Now, what is regional name again, name children? How you describe this region again? Right that I'm touching. Children?
Sir, too much data box there. What you say, sir?
Yeah, this region right here. How would I describe this region right here?
Okay, that's C only.
C only. Job done. What would I put in C only now?
12.
12.
Mm-hmm.
12. Chevel, is she correct?
The 12 is also the element in the intersection.
Mm-hmm.
12
So what should that be? 12 what?
minus X.
12 minus X. Yeah, Miss Julian.
Yes, sir.
We just did something like that a while ago, you know. So you shouldn't get that wrong at all, you know. Don't tell me to the dog, they make you not concentrate. Alright. Now, what should go right just again, Julian? You again, Julian. What should go right there, sir?
15 minus X.
You better have that stuck in your head, you know. What go right here, sir, now?
X.
And what goes here?
8.
Good. Alright, I'm certain that Chevy would have gotten the full marks for this part. And you better try the full marks next time around the seat. Alright, let's record the information because you're going to need it for the next part of the question. Let me know when you finish recording the information, please. Oh, lady, submit our worksheet, yeah? Smaller. The wrong, submit. Submit to the wrong place, but can tell her to use messenger part. Should be. Yeah, so good now. Graded the assignment. Use the messenger part. Submit. So we submit it to another person in class. Come on, copy and see.
Mine, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Huh?
My language art?
No, man, not yours, man, not yours.
How can me submit my language art, but we don't even know where it go?
All right, we'll look at it after the class.
Okay.
All right. Want to finish recording information?
Yes.
Chevy recorded already?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's proceed now. I will now guide me now, because I now have it for you. Well, I can't stay, so listen, I can't. All right. So here's the story now. Here's the story now. Why? You forget my little appetizer, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, then. All right. Yes, ma'am, you're welcome. Wait a minute. Oh, all right. All right. Chevy, your turn now. Read the question and give me the answer.
Write an expression in X which represents the total number of families in the survey.
Okay.
So the answer would be minus X plus
Hold on.
X.
Hold on. Let me write it. It will be what now? 12
12
minus X.
minus X
Yeah.
plus X
Yeah.
plus 15 minus X
Yeah.
plus 8.
Plus 8. Good. But we're not finished yet. So we have to simplify it, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to add the like terms now. 12 plus what?
15,
Plus what?
8,
Okay. Then we have minus X plus X
minus X.
minus X. Okay, then let's go down further now. So 12 plus 8 is on 20 and 15 is how much? Is how much?
27. 27.
27, you sure? 8 and 12 are 20 plus
So the
15.
12 and
Okay. 27 plus 8. Alright. Just give me the final number and add out those three. How much?
36.
35. One mistake you make. Number 12 and 8 is 20. Plus 15 is 35. Remember that. Alright, minus X plus X. Give it a guess.
For the 2 minus X would cancel out each other.
Alright, no? The minus X plus the X will cancel out each other. Then I get 0 right there, so that
So
be
leave
minus X. Then leave minus X, right? So this would have been the answer. 35 minus
X.
X. Alright. Now, in this case now, there's a write an equation which may be used to solve for X. This time, They ask for equation. Now, if 35 minus x represents the total, then we're going to say the same as mean what? Equal. What's the universal set equal to?
30.
30. So this would have been your answer for that question. All right, ladies, write down your answer quickly. Write down those information. Now, when you're doing the sets on Edmodo, mute your mic, please, Trevor. Thanks. When you guys are doing the test on Edmodo, you're going to use the space to show your working, just like how you see me show the working right here. Good? The diagrams, you email it to the email address that is given. All right? Or you can send me them through the messenger part of Edmodo. Either one of two. Okay? But you must show your working in the space provided in the tests on Edmodo. All right? Bear in mind, I told you so. So if I don't see no working, you get no marks. All right? Bear it in mind. Only diagrams alone must be sent to Edmodo using the messenger section of it, or email them to me. Okay? Now there are some diagrams you have to click for the diagrams to appear. If you're having difficulties, let me know, and I can tell you how to address it. I can allow you to do over the test if there's an issue. All right. Finish writing it off?
Yes, sir.
All right. Julian, what about you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's proceed now. Hold on. Okay. All right. So there's another question now. Let us clear our board here. All right. Julian, your time to read now. Julian.
The Venn diagram below shows the number of students in Farm 5A who have visited Canada or Dominica.
All right. Julian, I want you to analyze the diagram now. Tell me now. Tell me what going on the diagram. Use your eyes. And tell me what you see. Yeah, go ahead now.
Number, oh gosh, C intersect D.
Mm.
Three students belong to set C only. 10 students belong to set D only.
Very good.
And 2x students complement C and D complement.
See you in the compliment. Very good. Very good. So you learned tonight. Very good. All right. So you go on. You go on with things. All right. So the answer. So what's the answer for part one? You give me the answer for part one. Give me the answer for part two. What's the answer for part one? Julian.
3 minus x.
No. You don't need to say 3 minus x. No. How many students have visited?
3x. 3x.
Look good. How many students have visited Dominica only? You just tell me.
Dominica, I think you said Canada only.
No. Dominica only. But you just told me the answer, so you get minus wrong.
Oh, 10 visit Dominica only.
Exactly. 10. The answer is 10. All right. Chevel, your turn.
Yes, sir. 3 plus x.
Where you go?
3 plus x
3 plus x, yeah?
plus 10
Plus 10, yeah?
plus 2x.
Hold on now, hold on. Look good, you have to read the question this time. Write an expression in terms of x to represent the total number of students who have visited what? Canada.
Yeah.
What's the answer for that?
3 plus x.
3 plus x. Very good. All right. Let's see for this one now. Continue now. Given that there are 25 students in Form 5A, calculate the value of x. Chevel.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Schmidt.
The steps, Chevel.
Pardon?
Yeah, camera through the steps to find the answer for part 3.
3 plus x
3 plus x, yeah?
plus 10
Plus 10, yeah?
plus 2x
Plus 2x, yeah? Sorry.
equals 20
Yeah, go ahead.
equals 25.
Equal 25. Alright, continue.
3 plus 10
3 plus 10.
plus x
Yeah.
plus 2x
Yeah.
equals 25.
Yeah. Continue.
13 plus 3x.
How much?
13 plus 3x
Equal 25. Continue.
25 minus 13
Ah, good. Equal
12
then
plus 3x.
plus 3x. You mean plus 3x?
Sorry.
Must be 3x now equal to the 12. Yeah?
12. But 12.
So x is equal to what now? What x equal to?
4.
Alright. 12 divided by 3 is equal to. Alright, good job. That's the answer for that part. Alright. Alright, please guys to record that now, please. Alright, record it now. When you finish writing off your questions and answers, let me know, please, so we can move on.
Finish, sir.
Okay, good. Julian, what about you? Julian, finish?
Sir, no, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Today. Okay, now.
All right. Okay. This should be the end of it. All right. Quickly now, give me the answer for these. Write down the number of students in each of the following subsets. C union D. What's the answer for that? Come on, you should know the answer by on the back of your hand now. C union D. What's the answer?
4.
4, or you get 4?
Or the union,
Yes.
25.
No, can't be 25. Julian, make an attempt at it. C union D.
Okay, so you took out the book and leave it there, so I
17.
17. Okay. Explain to children how you get the answer, please.
We add 3 plus 4 plus 10.
Okay. What's another way you could undo it? What's another way you could undo it? Julian, what's another way you could undo it?
So I don't even know you get 17.
Question is asked, write down the number of students in each of the following subsets. Set union D. Now, the 25 represents all the students in the class, don't it, Julian?
Yes, sir.
And the 8 represents what? Neither, don't it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So you'd have taken away the 8 from the 25 and get 17. Make sense?
Okay.
Alright, I think for your situation, you have to get a textbook so you can practice. Alright? You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go to the textbook, yeah. Alright, and if I can scan